Pero di ba delikado kasi yun eh. Because if you rely your trades, your investment to someone and nabasa mo na sa Twitter or maybe Facebook or sa ibang social media channel na si ganito eh, nag-tweet ng about, pangalanan na natin, di ba Elon Musk for example, nag-tweet about a certain cryptocurrency. People are buying it. Gaano kaya ka-dangerous if someone will follow that as a trading or sabihin natin parang ginagamit na lang trading entry yung tweet ng ibang tao? As a trader, ano yung mas gumagana? I mean, ikaw, personal strategy, personally, ano yung mas gumagana sa'yo? TA or FA? When you say TA, technical analysis, para sa mga viewers natin, you say FA, fundamental analysis. Alright, so this is a different method when you analyze the market, say Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So, when you use technical analysis, ito yung more on charting, chine-check mo yung chart, pero more on FA or fundamental. This is a way naman to check yung ano ba yung status, yung development. So stocks, ginagamit nila yung mga reports din. So, ikaw, Reps, ano yung mas gumagana sa'yo?
Mas bias ako sa TA, coach. Feeling ko kasi sa FA masyadong maraming noise. Especially ngayon, may masipag na tweet ng tweet, konting tweet, akala ng mga, especially ng mga bagong traders, his tweet is the word. Pag nag-tweet siya, bilihan na kagad sila. Hindi nila alam. Akala nila signal na yun, signal to buy. Hindi nila alam, signal to buy para sila maka-exit.
Actually, when you raise a valid point, but tweets in itself, I wouldn't even call that fundamental analysis. In fact, there was no analysis. Diba? Somebody tweets and then people react without really studying the basis by yun naman yun, diba? So, that's not even fundamental analysis. That is just plain hype. There is no analysis whatsoever.
Pero di ba delikado kasi yun eh. Because if you rely your trades, your investment to someone and nabasa mo na sa Twitter or maybe Facebook or sa ibang social media channel na si ganito eh, nag-tweet ng about, pangalanan na natin, di ba Elon Musk for example, nag-tweet about a certain cryptocurrency. People are buying it. So, how about you? Gaano kaya ka-dangerous if someone will follow that as a trading or sabihin natin parang ginagamit na lang trading entry yung tweet ng ibang tao?
Very dangerous, especially sa mga bago dito sa crypto space. Kasi may tendency ang mga bago na masyadong ma-hype. Kapag sinabi ni Tito Elon magpapump ang ganitong coin, bilihan sila. Tapos after a few days biglang magdadump. Kung talagang gusto talaga nilang mag-earn dito sa crypto space, talagang mag-invest talaga sila sa knowledge. Invest sila sa trading knowledge, invest sila siguro sa mga trading books and trading courses kung talagang gusto nilang gawing career talaga. Wag sila masyado nagpapapaniwala, especially sa mga tweets lang.
I think to add to that, what everybody needs to remember is, okay, let's assume that you took action dahil may nag-tweet. At the end of the day, the person who pressed that buy or sell button was you. It wasn't the person who made the tweet. So, walang pwedeng sisihin iba. Ngayon lang yun eh. You made the decision to buy or sell if you decided to follow somebody else's tweet. You can't blame anybody if it turns out that the tweet was wrong or that the tweet was just a joke. Yun ang pinagbasehan mo. So, I guess it goes back to also what Coach Raps had said and what James had mentioned earlier. Invest in yourself.